My name is Kristina Linderoth and I work at Alfa Laval as a development engineer. I'm going to talk about the compact frame. In a traditional frame, the upper and lower bars are both full length. With a compact frame, the lower bar is shorter and instead we have a fishhook design of the supporting column. This makes the removal and replacement of the plates easier for the customer. The compact frame has a smaller footprint since less space is needed for removing and replacing the plates. The customer will get more plates and more heat transfer area within a smaller footprint. With the next generation of gasketed plate heat exchangers, we have taken the compact frame further. The supporting column is now part of the bar design. In the development, it was important to find a feature that is an improvement for the customer, but still keeping down the cost. Now this is standard on a wider number of models. The bottom line benefits for the customer are that they get more heat transfer area within a smaller footprint, and also the service will be easier, quicker and save money.